Hi there, my name is Leroy Black, and I am a titanium executive ranked member of a global savings company. And I'm building this video because I want to help businesses save on the bills that they're paying for anyway without having to switch providers, without having to change plans, without having to do anything, but just simply save money on monthly bills that they're paying for anyways. And since they're a business, they can also save on their personal residential bills as well, but only if you're referred to the savings company by a member. And like I said, I am a titanium executive ranked member and I can help you with this. Okay, that is why I'm making this video. It's free money. There is no cost to doing this unless they save you money. If they've got to make money somehow, right? But we'll get into that. But hey, before I jump into all the nuts and bolts of it, if you're new here to my channel, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, go down to the comments and write, I subscribed, so that I can show you my appreciation. Okay, let's get into it. So, the company's name is Savings Highway Global. They're an A+ rated company with the Better Business Bureau, and they've been around since 2006. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so this is the page that I'm going to bring you to so that you can actually go set up your own appointment to get your free review. And I made it easy so you don't have to remember how to type all this stuff up here in. Okay, so let me just zoom in. Well, that's the wrong kind of zoom. Let's do this. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up to your browser and you're going to want to type business.sendingyousavings.com. business.sendingyousavings.com. Made it nice and easy. Okay, hit enter. What that's going to do is it's going to bring you to this page that we're already on. See, there we go, the freesavingsreview.webio. You can just type that if you want to, freesavingsreview.webflow.io. That's fine. Or, I made it a little easier. It sounds a little better, business.sendingyousavings.com. Okay, now, these are the main companies they can help you save on. AT&T, Comcast, Verizon, Spotify, SiriusXM for Business, AOL, you get the picture, all these, okay? Now, what can they help you save money on? Your mobile cell phone bill, telecom, TV, internet, landline, satellite radio, satellite TV, payroll, merchant accounts, security systems, storage units, web services, waste management, lawn care, pest control, information technology services, subscriptions and memberships, water delivery, linen and uniform cleaning, staffing, heating oil, propane gas, and other reoccurring bills, okay? What they do not help you with, your rent or your mortgage, your utility bills, your credit cards, your car payments, your medical bills, your student loans, those kind of things, okay? Average residential savings, $500 to $2,000 a year. Average business savings, $5,000 to $20,000, okay? Then there's some testimonials here. Go ahead and spend some time reading that. Now, this is the nuts and bolts. This is what's going to happen, okay? It's 100% no risk guarantee. So if they can't save you anything, which is very highly unlikely if you're a business, okay? But if they can't save you anything, this global company that is all over the world, that does this in all corners of the world, and with that kind of power and footprint, if they can't save you any money, then they don't charge you anything, okay? And don't freak out about the charge, okay? We'll get to that. Calm down. Step one, going to set up your free savings review. Step two, going to get a list of your bills. And you're not going to actually give them any personal information. Okay, don't freak out about that either. What you're going to do is list it out exactly like this list is right here, just really quick. Okay, the merchant will help you with more after when you have your review. Get your bills ready from the list above. So have your statements so that you can send them a copy of your bill. Okay, so they can see what you're paying and whatnot and what they can help you with. We will call you at your specified time. You're going to set it up. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, we will do 100% of the work to lower your bills, 2 to 4 weeks, all taken care of. You don't have to do anything. You're not going to have to change anything. They're going to do all that for you. Okay, you can, and like I said at the first, you will not have to change providers or plans. Now, they may suggest it. I don't know. I haven't done this a lot. Let me know in the comments if that happens. I don't think so. The ones that I have had and the feedback that I have gotten is nobody has had to change anything so far. So curious if you do end up needing to change something, but chances are, hey, if you change something and you're saving money, why not? Okay. Anyways, you can start saving money on your next bill. Okay. The fee is 50%. So they keep 50% of the savings and you get 50% of the savings. And what they do is they charge you the 50%. So you end up needing to pay them that 50% of whatever the savings is. So you're still saving quite a bit. And they can do 50% because the amount of money that they're able to save you is a lot. Okay. So you're still going to end up having a lot of money that you're not going to have to pay every month. So definitely take advantage of this, okay? Step 7, enjoy your savings or your free money. Now, see there's their A+ accredited business badge down there. They have a bunch of good reviews. I would recommend going to their site and checking them out if you want to. Read the reviews. There's lots of them. They have a 4.93 last I checked. When I started it was 4.9. It keeps going up. Rating with the BBB. And all right, here's what you're going to do. Either this green button or the one up here or the one up here. I think there's 3 places, 4 places, 5 places. The green button. Find the green button somewhere on this site. Click it. Okay? You're going to pick a date. And this is what's going to happen. There's going to be a 30-minute phone call with your savings agent. It's a free consultation to see which of your monthly reoccurring bills can be negotiated by us and what savings potential is there. For both a list of the bills and what we can work on the program, please go to over there what I just sent you to. So remember that site, business.sendingyousavings.com, or free savings review. Also that works as well. But go to that site. All takes you to the same place. Takes you to this place right here. Okay. And after reviewing that list, then have all of your monthly recurring bills ready to be emailed over in a digital format, downloadable PDF, which most of them are nowadays, your most recent bill from your provider's website, or take a clear photo JPEG of all the pages with charges on them. They can be emailed over to us before or during our scheduled appointment time. And this is who you email them to. That's my savings guy, Jeff. Okay. Thanks, and see you on the call, right? So then you're going to pick a date. When you click a date, it's going to take you to this form. Okay, this is when they're going to call you. So you're going to pick the date and the time. So I already just picked a time, I picked something, but you're going to click that. You're going to pick the time and the date. Then you're going to enter your name, your last name, your email. This is mine. Okay, your phone number. You're going to really quickly list the bills that you want to be considered to be saved. So if there's no pressure here. Whatever you want to save on, great. If you want to leave it completely alone and you have an anxiety, whatever. Maybe dip your toes in. I know some people like to dip their toes in things, and we're going to try like this bill and this bill. Okay, whatever. You're in control here. You list what you want to save your bills on. You list if there's any of them residential or business. I will just say if it's a residential bill, it needs to be a bill that you pay a little bit more on. Okay, because clearly there's not going to be a whole lot of savings on like a $15.99 monthly fee, right? If you're Netflix or something. But like your internet, if you're paying for Gigabast, we're talking, $150 a month, something like that. Yeah, there's probably a really good chance they can help you save on that. And they usually lock it in for a period of time. But anyways, list your bills that you want to be considered. Okay? I would list them all, honestly. Why not save the maximum amount of money you possibly can, right? Just do it. And then let them know which of them are residential or business, or if they're both. Write the name of your business and the address, okay? And then this is the important part, okay? You have to be authorized by an authorized representative, an authorized agent, in order to be considered into this program, which, like I said at the beginning, I am. I am a titanium executive rank member with Savings Highway Global, and I am giving this to you for free. So again, I am going to pull up the magnifier, make that a little bigger so that you can see it. This is what you're going to enter onto this form, okay? So put the full name and mobile number. So you're going to enter Leroy Black, the funnel team. That's my team, the funnel team. We are the largest team in the world for Savings Highway Global and the fastest growing. So I definitely put that as part of my name because that's who I am. Leroy Black, the funnel team. And then that's my phone number, 435-705-9028. All right. Let's close the magnifier. There it is. Okay. Now, and then this right here, put your number, not mine, to get your text messages so you can get messaged. And your phone number up here, text messages there. Schedule event. That's it. Simple, quick and easy. They will call you. My guy Jeff or somebody working for him will call you and give you a free consultation, again, to see which one of your monthly bills. And I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Stand by. They will call you and give you a free consultation and show you which of your bills that they can save you on. And I don't know if you caught it, but on that website, the most we've ever saved one business was $1 million a year. Holy crap. Must have been a pretty big business, but hey, we've saved that much. That's the record at the moment. Maybe we'll beat it with this video. Who knows? But again, go to that website, business.sendingyousavings.com. Remember my name and phone number when it asks you so that you get considered for this. And go save some money on bills that you're paying for anyways. Get some ROI, but either back to you or your business. Whatever the case may be, saving money always feels good. And I do this to help people, and I absolutely love it. So let me know in the comments how it went for you and how much you saved. Love to hear your story. Have a beautiful day. See you on the next video.